Hello and welcome to this first look at the game While True Learn. This is a very interesting mix of one part programming challenge and one part business sim. The developer sent me a press key to check out, and while the game is still very much in early access, it has some very interesting aspects to it. And we're going to take a look at it tonight. And again, with the game being in early access, please know that what you see may not represent the current version of it. But I'm going to start a new game. Yeah, that's fine. We'll start right at the tutorial. It won't take that long. The idea is we're going to be a machine learning specialist. And it's our job to go from learning it in school to running a business and hopefully not running out of money in the process. We'll be able to buy aspects as well, new hardware, and other things, including a cat skin. I don't know what that does. But we're going to need to earn money. And the best way to do that is by building stuff, by building programs for people, apparently. I don't know if this is true or not, but it would be very interesting. There's more like a historical aspect to the game. But our mission is to satisfy the demands of the program. Do it within a specific time period, and of course not go over budget. Now right now, there's not too much in terms of the tutorial. You won't be seeing too many messages on this end because I've already played through it. But anyone who is used to programming or programming philosophy should pretty much know what's going on here. So this is a simple if-then, or if-else, I'm sorry. You can see the amount of time it takes to process. This is what it's looking for, the number, and this is the accuracy. So I'm going to run it. And I'm going to speed things up, obviously, so we can get through this as quickly as possible. Alright, so that's a test is complete. I'm going to release it and earn my money. We basically can't run out of money while we're working, or it's game over. There we go. We made $258. Oh, looks like they have another job for us. Now I would like to buy some upgrades. But if we're going to do that, I need at least $1,000. GVidia. So let's move on to job number 2. And now we need to specifically make sure to pull only red and green. And again, the more nodes we install, the longer it's going to take to run, which means more money out of my pocket. So this time we will do this. And go. Go, my nodes, go. But we know that's going to work, so I'm just going to do this. Come on, get over there. I don't think the position of the node actually does anything. Alright, so this time the twist is they want us to take the node we did from a previous one and use that. So if we go back over here, we know it's already going to filter out the blue simply because it's going in the trash. So now we need to filter out the green. So you go there. There we go. And one trash. Let's see. And if the memory fills up, the program will fail. And I'm sure, as you've probably noticed, this is not going to be an advanced machine learning or advanced programming challenge kind of game. But I think that's all right. they're not. The developer's not aiming for that same level of complexity we saw with something like TIS 100 or Shenzhen IO. And I think the market could. I think there is room in the market for more of a beginner's lesson for this kind of programming logic. So let me see. How much money do we have right now? Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to be risky here. I'm going to buy an upgrade. Can I even buy it? Nope. I need to complete task number 4 first. Alright. So back to it. Now the expert system, what this does is it moves a lot faster than the other ones. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use this. And you'll see how much faster. Oh, I'm sorry. My mistake. The decision tree, this one is a lot faster. At 0.3 seconds versus 1 second. So what I'm going to do is move you over here. Now the challenge, though, is that it's not going to work all the way. Because they can't differentiate between green and blue right now. Only any. So what I'm going to do, and I can use delete to remove nodes, is I want this just to pull red. And you'll see how much faster this is. Shoots red right there. But the downside is that it's not fast enough. So we need to make that decision quicker. So let me delete these. I also delete the nodes as well. There's points. So right now I want it to say that if it's red, just send it right to the next system. And then if it's else, go here, and then here. Let's see what happens. Oop. It would be helpful if I actually connected it, right? Almost forgot, we have to connect this to the trash as well. Good. Go. Now, why aren't you working? Let's do this. So we needed to go for speed. So let's try this part out. And this should do it. Again, at this stage of the game, it's not as advanced as we need it to be. Oop, I did the wrong one, didn't I? Get you over here. Go down. Good. Now this should work. Go. Mission complete. We made our money. Okay. And apparently we can invest in a startup as well. And the better the startup does, the more money we earn from it. But what I'm going to do first, we'll go to Seabay. And I'm going to upgrade to 1 megabyte of RAM. I know, big spender here. And now we will come over here to the startup. And we'll earn money based on how well it does. Let's see. So I'm not sure what the upgrade did, though. Alright, so we need to differentiate red and blue. So I know that we only need green. Let's see what happens here. Blue. Oop. There we go. Again, we only want green to go down below. But you can see the problem. Maybe. Let's see, does it prioritize the top node? So I want Amy to come over here, green to go there. Let's see what happens. No, it doesn't look like it matters. I just wonder if there's something we need to do. Like there's an upgrade or a specific node we will get to fix that. So I'm going to try this out. Oop. Let's see. So green goes down there, and then anything that's not green should go up. Seems to be working at 100% though. So I think we're good. So we'll release that. Let's hope this works. We have 100%. We have 100 users. We'll see what happens. We'll come back over here, and we'll do the next task. Now we're going to be sifting. And again, you can see the information here. So we just want triangles. It's going to work, but it's going to be very slow. Go. Come on. Faster. Get those triangles. Get them. Alright. So we've lost money, but our users are going up. So I guess that's a good sign. Uh-oh, what's this? No, we got money. Can I afford anything, though? Increase sockets processing queue size by 3. Oh, that must be the actual thing that shows how much it's storing. No routers yet, sadly. I'm not spending $3,000 for a Viking helmet for my cat. That seems very wasteful. Alright, so this thing is going to learn. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this up here, and then we're going to train it. and you'll see the error rate go down. We want to get it as low as it can, so that way it will quickly be able to process. So let's see. Can it go any lower than 20%? Alright, let's see. Nope, get down to 20. Alright, well, we'll do it like that. Of course, percentages and I never really work together, right? There we go, we made it. Thank you. You must pay server rent using CatCloud. We're still going up. Let's see, can we unlock anything else? Nope, it's still locked. Alright, let's see what we do here. So this one, we only want if the circle or a triangle to go here. If it's a square or a triangle, it needs more over here, so let's see what happens. It's got a 20% chance. I'm gonna risk it. Let's see what happens. Come on. Get over there. There we go, we did. Let's see, we are now... the income's actually going up a little bit. We'll see what happens. But can I afford anything else? Decreases server cost by 3%. That could be useful. I'm going to need a lot more money though to do that. Now let's see here. Uh-oh, now what? Yep. Alright, so we know we want only green down here. Will this work? I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Red and blue, red and blue. The problem is that it wants 100% accuracy. So, let's see. We know. How are we going to do this and make it quick? Let's see. We have red and blue. We need green to ultimately go down below. So if we do this, I'll send everything else over there. That should provide a test, and we'll wrap things up, I think, after this. No, it's not working all the way. But let me check our time. yeah, it's about 20 minutes. I think we'll wrap it up for here. So the game is still a bit on the rough side. Again, it doesn't really do a lot in terms of teaching the player advanced strategies or really allowing you to delve into the machine learning side. But I think it's got a good start. And again, it's not going to be an advanced game. But the management elements do add a little bit something else. So if you try TIS 100 or Shenzhen IO and found those games to be a little too much to understand, I think Wild True Learn is a good first step, especially for younger fans or people just trying to get into programming logic. But with that said, we're going to wrap things up here. So thank you so much for watching. If you're a developer working on a game that you'd like me to take a look at, please don't hesitate to get in touch. But otherwise, check back for daily discussions on game design here and on Game Wisdom, where we examine the art and science of games. Before we get to the credits, just want to give a quick shout out to the fans and supporters over on patreon.com/gwbicer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Check back around 10 Eastern for regular streaming. If you'd like to suggest games for me to cover or topics to talk about, let me know in the comments below. For a collection of my writings as well as weekly podcasts on design, check out game-wisdom.com. To support the Game Wisdom Patreon, you can find us on there on patreon.com/gwbicer. $1 will get you into our private Discord channel where we talk game topics and more. $5 will get you voting privileges for any major event, including the Saturday Night Grab Bag, Patreon-funded goals, and more. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoy more videos here on the Game Wisdom YouTube channel.